Hey guys, Silkalk and welcome to another Animal Jam video. Today I've decided to do something very interesting. Every Wednesday from now on I will be doing a different type of challenge videos. This could be very interesting. For example, like next Wednesday I could do a recycling challenge, and then the next Wednesday like the necklace to spike challenge. I thought this would be really cool and pretty fun to do. So to start off my first challenge video ever, I'm going to be doing what's called a gifting challenge. It's kind of like the recycling challenge, but this time I will set a timer for 10 minutes to gift as many people as I can items that I think I don't need. So I better start the timer really quick. Let me just pause this. Alrighty, the 10-minute timer is started. So let's start with this random person called Zaz Han. Better send them something really quick. The first thing I see on this page that I don't need is this turquoise wing. And I'm just going to give them of course. I'm just going to give them a quick auto. There we are. Okay, next person. Go to Jamon. Oh man, it's full. I gotta go to, how about Alden? I'm trying to go as fast as possible so I can gift as many people as I can. So let's do Lucky Boss Wolf, and I'll gift her, let me see, how about, this is a hard one. How about a pair of golden wings? I don't need those. And I'll just give her a quick autograph. There we are. Hope you enjoy that. Let me just run over here. Next person I see is Kara1011, and I think I'll get you something that is a head item that I don't need. How about this? Oh, I love that item. I can't get rid of that. Let me think. Oh, what's perfect? I have to get this. Okay, how about some rare star glasses? There you are. Oh man, she's not accepting. No. Okay, Yoon, the super rare person, Yoon. I'll just give her a jam on, and then quickly give her. How about a neck item? I'm not gonna give her a spike, guys. Just a diamond necklace. There we are. Hope you like that. And the next person I'm gonna do is gonna be in here because nobody ever goes here. Oh, and there's a new jammer there. Come back here, new jammer. Oh, darn, he has nothing on his trade list. Well, that's his loss. Sorry. Let's go down here and see if there's anyone down there. Ha! There's some people down here. How would I trade you? Okay, well, you've got some items you may want to keep on there. Oh, here's someone. Tavin. Oh, darn. Okay, I guess I'll just have to stick with this person. Let's give you something for your pet. How about this guy? Let me find you. Oh, not that. Sorry. I'll give you a clothing body item, and let's see what I can give you. How about this backpack? Oh, let's hope she accepts. Come on. Accept. Oh, this is taking too long. She's taking forever. I gotta go somewhere else. I'm sorry. How about Mount Chevere? Come on, stop loading. No one here. Appendale? No, I didn't want to go in Claws and Paws. Okay, oh, it's always so empty. Temple of Zeus. There we go, that's better. How about Cool Dianod 123? Let's give you a leg item. How about this charm bracelet? There you are. Jam on. Here you go. I hope you enjoy that. And I'm gonna pick one more person from here. I am moving, guys. How about Soul Clyde? Oh wow, she's rare. Soul Clyde, something like Soul X Clyde or something like that. Let's give you a quick customized autograph, and then pick something from the tail items. How about, oh, I'm so big on tail items. I don't think I can do it. I love tail items too much. How about, the random item, these DJ headset. There we go. Hope you enjoyed that. Who jamagrammed me? Oh, somebody gave me a gift. Ooh, thank you. Okay, better hurry through. Getting too distracted. Ah, it's full. Okay, Crystal Sands. Here we go. Is there anyone here? Ah, there is anyone here. The Doc Omen. Interesting username. Let's give you a quick, jamagram. How about I give you this left friendship necklace I just got? There you are. And one more person, Golden Foxy. One more person in this land. I'm going until the 10-minute time goes off. You know, 10-minute actually might be a little bit long, guys, but I don't think I actually need to rush that much. How about I give you some pink elf bracelets? I kind of regret giving these. They're so pretty. But there you go. I hope you enjoy those. She looks like she might enjoy those. This is such a nice place, so why don't I give it to Alien Fluff? Oh. I think she's a little too rare for me. How about this little guy here? Oh, he doesn't have anything on. Ooh, here we go. Bunny, I can't find anyone that doesn't have anything useful on their trade list. Well, you know, I don't know. I don't want to join that one. Okay. Let me see. I think I might be able to do a small mail time if these people all... Oh, I already gifted her. Oh, ha, here's someone. Please have something. Aww. Come on, have something in your trade list. This person. Joe's. Ah, nothing on. Let's do this, people. This person, person. Aha, here's something. I'm sure she'll accept a little rare for this. Let's see. That one's for my sister, actually, so I can't give that to her. Okay, how about this tiara? She probably won't accept, but you know what? That's not good enough for her. I need to give her something better. Or not, I don't know. How about just this person called Cam AJ? Random person and a random neck item. No, that's too pretty. This thing, ice amulet. Oh, I don't have too much time left, guys. One more time, that's so weird. Let's just open up my mail really quick. Oh, oh, she didn't give me, of course, because I'm on, Bubble Chat, it won't let me see it. Okay, let's see this. Oh, thank you very much. Panda Power backpack, that's cool. This person looks like they might want a little gift. Let's go see if she has anything on her trade list. I almost said trust list. Yeah, trust trading is not good. Oh, a police hat, perfect, just for my meme, police pigs. I think I should show you the police pigs, because I've never shown them in my video, but they're just so adorable. Ah, I'm getting sidetracked. Okay, these are just so pretty, it's hard for me to do it, but I gotta do it. There we go. I hope you enjoy that. Come on, accept, come on, I don't have that much time left. I only have like 1 minute. Yes. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that. Okay, I gotta go somewhere else. Okay, I finally got into Jamal Township. Need to gift one more person before this 1 minute goes up. Queen of Wolves, there we go, I'll just give you something. Let's see, something for the food. Oh, I feel like giving her that, but I can't. Okay, how about just this random sapphire ring? I hope you enjoy that. And I'll give her another one more time auto thing. Oh no, she's not accepting. Okay, kitty girl, gotta go fast. I only have 30 seconds. Okay. Let's just give her this weird big bow thingy. 45 seconds. Oh no, wait, I have 20 seconds. Never mind. Okay, do you party in my den? No, I don't want to say that, but whatever. And I did that just time? Wait. Why isn't my alarm going off? Wait. It says 10 minutes, but why isn't my alarm going off? Well, maybe I have a few seconds left. Okay. I'll use that time to gift this person called Omega. She looks like she could use a gift or two. How about random item? Let's see, this Panda Power backpack again. I really don't need one of those again. I don't like that trade. That was so random. I think I have a couple more people I could do. Oh, that's actually good. Never mind. What am I thinking? I'm so used to trading fairly. Let's give her... Oh, time's up. Time's up. Quick, accept. Quick, accept. Quick, quick, quick. Oh, man, that's mean. Too bad. Her loss. Well, guys, that's just about gonna wrap it up for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the first episode of Wednesday challenges, and be sure to comment below what type of challenges you'd like to see from me. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys!